Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, as usual, and remember we do have the Feds coming out tonight with the minutes from their meeting last week, and then also it's pretty much the last trading day for the week in the US. So I expect, by the looks of things, that this is going to break to the upside. We've been going sideways for most of the week, and then sort of going into close, we've got a little bit of traction. This level here is still our level that we're looking at, is 102797. We're going to have to wait for the data, and then you're not going to have much trading opportunities after the data's out. But you can see there's a level of support that we bounced around yesterday before getting up, so could have been a rejection area we're looking at. But as I said to you yesterday, sit on hands, you didn't know where we were going. And as it stands now, we have a bit of a break of the flag, but I would expect some kind of a pullback onto structure before worrying too much about trying to get in on this. Oscillators group the upside, don't want to be long up here, don't want to be short either. We've got a bit of a crossover. So looking to see what's going to happen between 102920 and 102797. Need to wait for the minutes, the Fed minutes anyway. That'll give you some indication of what the market's going to do. So this is still sit on hands until the date is out the way later today. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. We did get a bit of rejection, not a clean one, and similar kind of setup setting up here. There's our flag. I suppose I should be doing a horizontal diagonal line underneath here, but anyway, it is a flag. We need to get breaks below structure before it starts to get going, and that area is going to be somewhere around here. So we want to see a break below 146.74 and a retest of that for a continuation to the downside. And being a dollar pair, obviously we need to wait for that structure as well. So you can see we got moving to the downside yesterday, and then we just went sideways in amongst the moving averages. I suspect exactly the same today. So this is your line in the sand pretty much. Anything that starts getting back above 141.766, then I would expect us to continue in this channel to the upside. Probably targeting 142.835. But this is also wait for the data, don't try jump in at the moment. Moving on to pound, British pound, Japanese yen. We're still very much in this channel, and we're just grinding higher. We've ground higher beyond this 167.306. Look at the oscillators group to the upside. Still a little bit suspect to me. Yesterday you can see pretty much sideways, nothing there. Line in the sand stays exactly the same. We're looking for 167.306. We start breaking below that, I suspect we are looking to break this channel to the downside. So that's the only trade that I'll be waiting for there. Not interested in until we break that structure. If we do go higher, I'm also not interested because I want a deeper reset before getting in long. Moving on to Euro British Pound, we've sort of formed a head and shoulders pattern here. We broke the downside, but now it looks like we're forming a bit of a wedge, grouping of the oscillators and crossover. So you need to pay attention to this zone at the moment, and I think it's going to do this on the hour. This pair has been very interesting of late. So yesterday we got a rejection off the level that we were looking for, which was 0.86789, and I just want to show you on the 15 minutes here. This is beautiful setup, right on the level, inside bar. Stop is below that, so your entry is below that. Your stop is above there, 74 points, and your first target area would have been this here, 200 points. Probably the only one that you would have traded. You wouldn't have traded the second pullback here at the moment, but this area here is always your first target. So today, I suspect we're probably looking for, it looks like we're trying to turn this thing around on the 15 minute, but if you look at it on the hour, trend is still down, grouping to the upside. So I'd be watching pretty much any of these tails. And just move this one down to there. So you'd be watching from the top down, that is 086948 and then 086853. A rejection from that area, I suspect we're looking for another move down. I don't think that move down is going to be that large. I think you'd probably be capped by this area here, which is 086581. So trend is down until it's not. So at the moment it's down. You have broken some trend lines. You're basically creating a higher high here. So now what I'm looking for is the higher low. So we still want to go with the trend until we start getting signals that the trend is not down. So that's kind of my view on this one at the moment. Could just range as well. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.